going to show you how to turn this ordinary bleached out toilet cover into a beautiful plush toilet cover. You'll see that. It's as simple as this. All you do is lay it down on top of the fur. You see how I've cut around it about, I don't know, ½ an inch, and I'm almost done, and then we're going to just fold it over and simply glue it on, and I will show you the finished product. Okay, so welcome to my bathroom, and it's a bathroom refresh. You saw the picture before. I did no painting, no anything. I'll tell you the things that I changed in this room. The picture you've seen is very old, so there's been a lot of changes. For one, there is the beautiful fur that we made. The fur, it was actually harder than I thought. I actually had to attach it with this string. But what I did in this bathroom, I am going to definitely take this off and change it, but I had it all up there on that. It looks so nasty, I took it all off. But, so that was another change that I did. I also changed his face, and I added these beautiful white. I could never find flowers to look good in this face, and I finally found these in my, I already had these, but they look fabulous. So, I just wanted it to look fresh, and I made this picture, actually. This was a frame I had from the 99-cent store. I had bought this blue fabric because I was going to make a pillow. And then I thought, oh, that would be pretty, because I love blue. I'd say that's a little pop color for the bathroom. And then I was going to put a shell, and then I'm like, I just saw the flower. I have lots of flowers. I was like, oh, this is an idea. I pulled out the middle of the flower and put a diamond on. It looks so pretty. I love it. Just got 2 of these and tied rope around them. No big deal. And then I just kind of changed up there, and I added the blue flowers. To tie in with the blue. Get it? Blue. And then these stars, I have 2 stars that I added, and I've had those forever, and I just love them. I painted them white. And, so I put those there, and then I put the 3 canisters there. And so over here, I just added this white basket that I've had forever, and I just did that to have a place to put my toilet paper. And then that is about it. I would like to, these walls need to be refreshed or whatever. And the floor, I don't know if I ever told you guys, I actually painted it about, I don't know, 3 years ago, and I did a video, but I never submitted it. Maybe I'll do that. It was actually a burgundy, and it was so hideous and ugly, I couldn't stand it. So I didn't even ask the landlord, I just painted it. And it lasted pretty well, but now it's like, it's starting to chip a little bit. So I was thinking about freshening it up, but definitely not gonna do it today. So that is it, guys. I hope you like my bathroom refresh, and I will see you again. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.